2006 cap and gown arrives with a polished all-black execution that builds on the tradition of formal-inspired Jordan footwear. Drawing energy from previous dark icons, this pair balances understated style with modern detail, making it suitable for everyday wear or elevated outfits. The upper is crafted from smooth nubuck with a soft matte finish that delivers a refined texture while reinforcing the graduation theme. Subtle reflective elements are embedded within the side panel cutouts, producing a striking glow under light without disrupting the stealth look. Metallic accents on the Jumpman branding, midsole, and heel spoiler add depth while keeping the palette cohesive. Underfoot, a durable rubber outsole ensures reliable traction, supported by a lightweight polyurethane midsole that houses the signature air cushioning unit for comfort and shock absorption. Structural TPU components enhance stability, while the textile inner lining improves breathability and fit. Finished with embroidered branding, the sneaker maintains durability and a premium feel throughout its design.